Noom Weight Loss App. The pros, the cons. The Noom Weight Loss App claims to help users lose weight not through restriction, but through psychology. But does it actually work long term? Let's dive into the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, Noom focuses on behavior change rather than fad diets. Most people get this wrong. They think losing weight is just about calories. But Noom's real strength is helping you understand why you eat, not just what you eat. Using daily lessons, food logging, and cognitive behavioral techniques, it builds habits that promote mindful eating. The app also assigns you a personal coach and support group, which adds accountability, something many diets lack. Studies show that users who stick with Noom for 16 weeks lose an average of 7% of their body weight, proving its psychological approach can deliver results. But the surprising truth is that Noom isn't for everyone. Logging every meal can feel time-consuming, and some users find the daily lessons repetitive after a while. Color-coded food system green, yellow, and red helps guide choices, but can also cause confusion or guilt for some users. And while the app offers great guidance, the subscription cost can be high compared to traditional calorie trackers. In conclusion, the Noom Weight Loss App is a smart, science-based approach to building better eating habits and achieving lasting results. It's best suited for those ready to dig deep into their relationship with food and behavior. While it requires consistency and commitment, Noom's focus on psychology gives users the tools to create sustainable change, one mindful meal at a time.